In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your purchase could not be completed error in the App Store on your iPhone. First, launch your settings. Click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option Payment and Shipping. Enter your passcode if asked and check your payment method. Make sure your card details are correct, not expired, and that your billing address matches your payment information. If you're using Apple ID Balance, also ensure you have enough funds. You can add a new payment method or remove an old one if necessary. Next, go back to your Apple ID page, scroll down, and tap Sign Out. Then restart your iPhone and sign in back to refresh your account connection. If the issue continues, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and check purchase history for any pending or failed payments, because Apple may block new purchases until those are resolved. You should also check screen time settings by going to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, iTunes and App Store purchases, and make sure installing apps and in app purchases are set to allow. Another important step is verifying your country or region by going to Settings, then Apple ID, Media and Purchases, View Account, because a mismatched region can prevent purchases. Next up, update your software. For that, go to General, click on Software Update. If any new updates are available, just update your iOS version to its latest. Lastly, if none of these solutions works for you, you can navigate to Apple Support. Just contact Apple Support to check whether your account has been restricted or flagged. And that's it. These are some fixes for your purchase could not be completed or in the App Store on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.